we're gonna head down to track number 17. All right, and we are back on the easement road. To the left is going to be track 17. Got the driveway on it. It's already been mulched and cleared. All right, so here we are on track 17. This is where we came from, off of that easement road to this site. This is a gorgeous tract, great access, easement road frontage, driveway on it, and cleared site already, so tons of features. I do have cell phone service. You're right across the easement road from the Mark Twain National Forest, so tons of unique features. This property's got tons of potential. A gorgeous area, super private. An excellent spot to build a home or to come camp and hunt, and then maybe even go over and explore the national forest. So tons of possibilities. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful out here. Back to the easement road.